Good morning, it's Tuesday, March the 25th, and I'm your host for AGORACOM TV, Paul Kandakos. I'm in for your regular host, George Cholis. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases and halts at the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've got 3 halts for you today, and I've got 6 great press releases for you from both sides of the border. We're going to switch it up a little bit today. I'm going to start with the halts. We've got 3 of them, as I had mentioned. First one I have for you, Nevsun Resources, trades on TSX Venture under the symbol NVU, and they've been halted pending news. Next one I have for you, Avion Resources, trades on the venture under the symbol AVR. Once again, they're halted pending news. Last one I have for you, Zoolander Corp, trades under the symbol ZOO.P. They are halted for failure to complete a qualifying transaction within the 24-month listing. Now, reference to Zoolander, I think I'm getting the black lung pop. Ben Stiller movie, Zoolander. If you haven't seen it, go rent it today because it is hilarious. Now, next one, what I've got for you is 6 great press releases. As I mentioned, both sides of the borders. First one I have, Kana Software. It trades on the OTCBB under the symbol KANA. They signed a 7-figure deal with a Fortune 100 telecommunication company. Good news here is it's a repeat customer, which means they're obviously doing something right, and it's for software licenses. And what it does is it reflects the continuing demand for their product. The client is one of the top U.S.-based telecommunications companies, which has chosen to expand its use of Kana solutions to include an email management system to encompass both its business and consumer subscribers. So what this means is Kana obviously has a good product, and they've got the ability to add more components to make their solution more robust. And if they've got a top 100 telecommunication company coming back for more, it means they've got a good product. Kana delivers managed customer service solutions, which include email, chat, call centers, and web self-service. Kana's and award-winning solutions are proven in more than 600 companies worldwide, including approximately half of the world's largest 100 companies. They're last at $1.35 off their 52-week high of $3.77. Next one I have for you, Helio Resources, trades on the venture under the symbol HRC. Great results coming out of Helio this morning. They reported the first diamond drill results from the Mbenge Target SMP Gold Project in Tanzania. Results I have, 39 meters at 2.56 grams per ton. It also has an inferred true width of 36 meters. Next hole I've got is 13 meters at 3.1 grams per ton of gold. And finally, we've got 26 meters at 2.1 grams per ton of gold. There were a total of 5 holes drilled for a total of 671 meters in the Mbenge target, representing the first part of a 20,000 meter drill program. So it looks like they're off to a great start. They've only drilled 671 meters. They've got another 19,000 and change to go. Helio Resources is a dynamically, technically driven mineral exploration company focused on high-quality project generation in South Africa. They're last at 90 cents off their 52-week high of $1.28. Conmed Health Management trades on the OTCBB, CHHM. Now, we've got another great contract here. Conmed Healthcare Management announced a new $18 million contract with the City of Chesapeake, Virginia Sheriff's Office Jail. What do? Conmed is a full-service provider of correctional facility healthcare services and currently services detention centers and correctional facilities in 5 states. What it is a 5-year full-service contract which is expected to contribute $3.6 million annually. So big numbers there. They're last at $1.30 off their 52-week high of $4.25. Remote Dynamics, also OTCBB, trades under the symbol RDYM. We've got more results coming from this company. They reported their 2007 financial results. What do? They're a provider of asset tracking and fleet management solutions. And as I had discussed, their revenues are $4.7 million compared to last year's revenues of $663,000. So a huge increase. Not sure why. Probably, I'm assuming it's acquisition. I can't imagine it's organic. But then again, check out the press release to make sure. Gross profit was $3 million compared to $22,000 in 2006, and gross profit margin was 63% compared to 3% in 2006. They're last at 0.008, so it's a sub-penny stock. They're off their 52-week high of 50 cents. Once again, make sure you do diligence on all these companies. We'll provide the headlines for you, but you got to drill a little deeper to see what the fundamentals are about. Next one I have for you, Vendtek, which trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol VSI. They announced their first quarter results. We got big numbers. Vendtek is a provider of automated transaction system software. Highlight for the company's first quarter results were revenues increased 83% to 30 million from 16 million, so big increase, 100% or almost 100%, 83%. Prepaid telecommunications revenues increased 85% from 16 million to 25 million. Net income of only 150,000 after a $77,000 tax provision, but nonetheless they are profitable, and this is their ninth consecutive profitable quarter. Vendtek develops and licenses automated transaction system software. Last at 95 cents off their 52-week high of $1.30. And last but not least, we have First Nickel. Big numbers coming out of First Nickel. Trades on TSX under the symbol FNI. They've intersected 86 meters of 0.55% nickel and 0.43% copper on their West Graham property. This is a 22 diamond drill hole program, which represents 5,400 meters of diamond drilling. Highlights of the drill program include the first hole, which I had, actually, first hole, I haven't mentioned this one, 45, which is 0.59% nickel and 0.44% copper over 70 meters, and the hole which I had already mentioned but worth repeating, hole 50, which is 0.55% nickel and 0.43% copper over 86 meters. First Nickel is a Canadian mining and exploration company, and its current activities are primarily focused on the Sudbury Basin in northern Ontario, the location of its company's producing property and 4 of its exploration properties. Last at 48 cents off its 52-week high of $1.98. A lot of news to digest, but they're all great press releases. Make sure you do your own due diligence. That's a wrap for today. I'm Paul Kandakos. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases for you.